Syria country, located on the east coast of the Mediterranean Sea in southwestern Asia. Capital Damascus. Area 185,180 square kilometer. Population 19.454 million. Language Arabic. National currencies Syria pound. Principal river Assi. Syria before and after war. Thank you.
Capital of Syria is Damascus. Religious groups in Syria are Arabs, Kurds, Syrians, Americans, and etc. Um, Arabs are the largest ethnic groups in Syria. Uh, the president of Syria is Bashar al-Assad. Syrian civil war inspired by Arab Spring Revolution began in 2011. The opposition was dominated by Sunni Muslims.
Okay, so now if we move on to the image here, we can see that is the it's like a metaphor, and this is supposedly Syria, and here there's democracy trying to enter Syria, and then there's a guard saying that no entry before you fill in this form and become a member of Al-Baath party. Is that clear? So this is the ruling party before democracy steps in, and the Al-Baath party was founded by the merger of Arab Baath movement and led by Al-Faq and Al-Bitar, and this is a party that believes in anti-imperialism, Arab nationalism, and so on, and the party quickly established branches in the other Arab countries, although it would only hold power in Iraq and Syria.
So if we see in this picture, we can see a ruling party stopping democracy before letting democracy going into Syria. So there's a guard telling democracy no entry before you fill that form and become a member in Al-Baath party. Is that clear?
Do you think this cartoon could be applied to China or Mexico? Yes, this cartoon could be applied to China. As China is governed by one party, in China, elections are generally held every 5 years for electing the parliament of the nation, known as National People's Congress. The candidates needs the Chinese Communist Party's consent before contesting in the elections. Only those who are members of the Chinese Communist Party or 8 small parties allied to it were permitted to contest the election that was held in the 5 years.
My name is Ayu Jashwan. Today I am going to say about a country called Syria. Actually, Syria is a Republican country. Do you think this type of country could be applied to even Mexico? Yes. In the case of Mexico, since its independence, elections were held for every 6 years. However, till 2000, each and every election have been won by the Institutional Revolutionary Party, that is PRI. Although opposition parties contested elections, but they never managed to win. The PRI party used many dirty tricks that were condemned to win elections. All government employees were forced to attend PRI's meetings. Government school teachers used to force children's parents to vote for the PRI party. Media always ignored the activities of the opposition party and only criticized the opposition. At times, polling booths would be shifted in the last minute from one place to another place, which made it difficult for citizens to cast their votes. Though in Mexico people had a choice, in reality they did not have any choice. There were no fair elections and the PRI party could never be defeated. What does the crown of leaves in democracy signify? Crown of leaves means a circle of leaves worn as a sign of victory on someone's head. Here, the cartoon means that democracy has won, but it is not accepted by all in some nations of the world. Thank you.